How to change Wi-Fi network on Ring Floodlight Camera. Open the Ring app on your smartphone and log in to your Ring account. Go to the dashboard and find your Ring Floodlight Camera from the list of devices. Tap the camera to open its device page in the app. Press the settings icon to open the device settings menu. Scroll down and open the device health or network section. Tap the option called Change Network or Reconnect to Wi-Fi. Confirm that you want to disconnect the camera from the current network. Go to the physical camera and press the Setup button on the device to enter setup mode. Wait until the light on the camera starts flashing, which means it is ready to connect. Return to the Ring app and follow the on-screen setup instructions. Select your new Wi-Fi network name from the available networks list. Enter the new Wi-Fi password carefully and continue the setup. Wait a moment while the camera connects to the new network. Open Live View in the app to confirm that the camera is now working on the new Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching.